In this video, guys, I'm going to show you how I make money with ClickFunnels. ClickFunnels is a software to create sales funnels. So I'm going to click here because I want to show you the funnels I use to make money. So basically, what I do is that I promote other people's products through ClickFunnels. So I use ClickFunnels to build really cool landing pages, and then I redirect those people to the affiliate offer. So let me show you some of my results. So these are my affiliate marketing commissions. So here I promote the 72-hour challenge, which is a training on how to start affiliate marketing from scratch. And as you can see in the screen, so these are my funnels. So here I'm promoting the 72-hour challenge. Here the 5-second silent method, but I'm going to show you this one, the 7 steps to becoming a super affiliate ebook. So basically, I downloaded this funnel from the program and I'm using it to collect leads. So I'm going to click here on the edit page because I want to show you the all the things about this opt-in page. So the opt-in page is the first page that people visit when they access my funnel, my sales funnel. So it has this really cool title, a button, information, a picture of the ebook, which is my lead magnet. A lead magnet is something that you give in exchange for the email, and also I put here my own photo because I want people to know that I'm promoting this training. And this is the first page. Then people will go to the second page, which is this one, and I tell people that please check their email because I'm going to send the ebook through email. And then the third step is the bridge page. So the bridge page is important because here I have a video and I'm going to show you the first step. So I have here this video, and basically here I'm like bridging the affiliate offer, and I'm telling people that things about the training and and the next steps they need to take if they want to get access to the 72-hour challenge. And also, when people click this button, they will go to my affiliate offer. And basically, with this strategy, I'm making money with ClickFunnels. So as you can see, this funnel has 3 steps, and I send traffic to the first page, and people go through this process. A sales funnel is a series of steps to guide your visitors through the entire sales process. So I drive traffic to this page, I collect the emails, I collect the name and the email, and then I redirect those people to my affiliate offer. And when they buy from my affiliate link, which is this one, the 72-hour challenge opt-in page, I make commissions with this training. So, and this is a really cool way to use ClickFunnels to make money. So another thing that you can do is you can sign up to be an affiliate for ClickFunnels and promote this software. So you can become an affiliate and you're going to have your own affiliate link, and you can promote this software to make recurring commissions. That is another way that you can utilize this software to make money online. So if you want to get access to this software, I'm going to put a link in the description of this video. And also, if you want to get access to the 72-hour challenge, which is an affiliate marketing training in which you can learn how to build an affiliate marketing from complete scratch using the 5-second silent method, which is a strategy in which you create videos between 5 and 15 seconds to drive traffic to your sales funnel. You can click also the link in the description. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments, like and subscribe, and God bless.